Start.
In our first unit, okay, we have Murray and Milley machine. So how we are differentiating Murray and Milley machine? You can see in the Murray machine, how many states are there, boys?
Three states.
Q0,
Q1, Q2.
Okay, and whatever output we are getting, so that output we are placing inside the state. So here here we can see Q0 is a state. So you can see here Q0 is a state. Here is a Q1 is a state, and here is a
Q2 is a state.
So as per the diagram, at the Q0 inside the state you are having output
A.
in the Q1 inside the state you are having output
B.
In the Q2 inside the state you are having output
B.
Okay, now as per the diagram, where is the self loop? Student, are you able to see? At the Q1 there is a self loop. On transition there is 0. So you can see on the self loop, this is a state. Okay, Q0 state, output is
A.
So student, you tell me, though we don't give anything to the state Q0, then also what we are getting in the output?
A.
So here, without giving any input, we are getting output at Q0 state, that is
A.
Clear to all?
Yes.
So without consuming any symbol, when we visit the first state, you are getting the output A. Okay. Now here at the Q0 state, you have a self loop. On that there is a 0. So at the Q0 state, on self loop you have 0. When we give 0, you are getting output A. Now we are moving from Q0 to Q1. And what we have given on transition? 1. So when we move from Q0 to Q1 on input 1, at the state Q1, what output you are getting?
B.
Now we are moving from Q1 to Q2. Okay, you check the Q2 state.
Yes.
At the Q2 state, what output you have?
B.
So student, as per the diagram, when we are moving from Q1 to Q2, on the transition you are having 0. So from moving from Q1 on 0 input, when we reach to the Q2, what output you are getting?
B.
Now you see Q1, this is the Q1 state. I am moving from Q1 to Q0. On the transition you are having 1. So when we move here at Q0, what output you have?
A.
Now another transition we have Q2 to Q1. Q2 to Q1. And where is 1? Here you can see. On the transition you have 1. So when we are moving from Q2 to Q1, when you give input 1, what output you have?
B.
B is the output. Now we are moving from Q2 to Q0 as per our diagram. When you are moving from Q2 to Q0, on the input 0. When we reach to the Q0 state, what you are having output?
A.
This way we have seen the Murray machine. In the Murray machine, at the starting only, though you don't give anything, you are getting the output. So in the Murray machine, when we are giving input as n, in output what we are getting? N plus
1.
Clear to all?
Yes.
Okay. Good.
Thank you.